In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize content in Ubersuggest. We'll be walking through the process step by step, ensuring your content ranks higher on search engines. First things first, head over to Ubersuggest by visiting app.neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. For those of you who haven't used it yet, you'll need to log in using your Google account. Don't worry, the free version works just fine for our needs today. Once you're in, the next thing to do is enter your website or blog URL into the search bar. It's straightforward. Simply type in your website or blog link, ensuring you select the appropriate country to get localized SEO data. This step is crucial if your target audience is country specific. After you've filled in these details, go ahead and click Search. Moving on, you'll want to open the Site Audit tool. Find it in the left-hand menu under Site Audit. This handy tool will run a scan of your website, bringing up a comprehensive report of any SEO issues it uncovers. These will range from technical problems that might be holding your site back to an overall on-page SEO score. Plus, you'll get clear recommendations on how to address these issues. What's great is that a higher SEO score indicates more optimized content, which is exactly what we're aiming for. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the top SEO issues section. Pay close attention to this part, as it lists problems such as missing meta descriptions, short or duplicate titles, a low word count, and missing keywords. These are common stumbling blocks for many, but the good news is they can be fixed directly in your content editor or CMS, like WordPress. Our next focus is the keywords section. Click on keywords and then head over to keyword ideas. Here you'll discover potential keywords that perform best for your particular topic. Aim to weave these naturally into various parts of your content, including the title, headings, body text, and meta descriptions. Remember to prioritize keywords with high search volume and low competition for maximum impact. Now, if you're hunting for fresh ideas, the Content Ideas tool is your friend. Access it from the left menu, and it will present you with trending blog titles and topics associated with your chosen keyword. Use these as a source of inspiration for new content, as benchmarks for your article titles, or as prompts to add depth to your current posts. Finally, after making all the necessary edits and updates, rerun the Site Audit tool to check if your SEO score has improved. This isn't a one-time task. Make it a habit to repeat this process every few weeks to ensure your content remains up to date and relevant. Keeping your website optimized can make a huge difference in maintaining and boosting your search rankings long term.